Hey everyone, and welcome back. Today we are building muscle memory for the simple past. We aren't just looking at grammar rules, we are training your ears and your voice. Here is how it works. I'll read a prompt, then the correct past simple sentence. There will be a 5-second silence right after. Shadow me, mimic my rhythm and my intonation. If you're ready, let's unleash your English. First, let's look at the life of a legend. Wolfgang Amadeus Mozart was an Austrian musician and composer. He lived from 1756 to 1791. He started composing at the age of 5. He wrote more than 600 pieces of music. He was only 35 years old when he died. First, let's look at the life of a legend. Wolfgang Amadeus Mozart was an Austrian musician and composer. He lived from 1756 to 1791. He started composing at the age of 5. He wrote more than 600 pieces of music. He was only 35 years old when he died. Now let's practice regular verbs. Remember the ed sound. I dance well. I danced well. I work at home. I worked at home. I clean the room. I cleaned the room. I repeat the word. I repeated the word. I want to be early. I wanted to be early. Let's train the negative form using didn't. I sat on the chair. I didn't sit on the sofa. Peter found his wallet. He didn't find any money. Jill broke her watch. She didn't break her necklace. Jim wanted to see the zoo. He didn't want to see the park. Mr. Smith loved his secretary. He didn't love his wife. I was in a hurry. I didn't have time to call you. Time to unleash, a mix of everything we've learned. Learn to drive. My father taught me how to drive. Keep the car. We couldn't afford it, so we sold it. Go down the stairs. Dave fell down the stairs and hurt his leg. Throw the ball. Joe threw the ball and Sue caught it. The Double Do Challenge. What did you do at the weekend? Nothing much. I didn't do anything special.
I look at Mary. I looked at Mary. I smoke. I smoked. I need a stamp. I needed a stamp. I expect to go. I expected to go. I dance well. I danced well. I start the car. I started the car. I stop going. I stopped going. I walk to work. I walked to work. I watch TV. I watched TV. I work at home. I worked at home. I like the film. I liked the film. I ask questions. I asked questions. I help myself. I helped myself. I finish my work. I finished my work. I reach the end. I reached the end. I prefer to stay. I preferred to stay. I receive a card. I received a card. I think him. I thanked him. I remember her. I remembered her. I touch her hand. I touched her hand.
I see Peter. I saw Peter. I get a present. I got a present. I know John. I knew John. I speak to Mary. I spoke to Mary. I read the book. I read the book. I write a letter. I wrote a letter. I put on my coat. I put on my coat. I eat at 1 p.m. I ate at 1 p.m. I begin at 9 a.m. I began at 9 a.m. I swim in the sea. I swam in the sea. I run for the bus. I ran for the bus. I forget his name. I forgot his name. I give her a pen. I gave her a pen. I bring my books. I brought my books. I buy some shoes. I bought some shoes. I catch a cold. I caught a cold. I teach Susan. I taught Susan. I sell my car. I sold my car. I feel well. I felt well. I take a train. I took a train. I keep a pet. I kept a pet. I shake hands. I shook hands. I leave early. I left early. I stand up. I stood up. I meet Mary. I met Mary. I wear a suit. I wore a suit. I sleep well. I slept well. I hold a party. I held a party. I tear my coat. I tore my coat. I sit down. I sat down. I say hello. I said hello. I choose a gift. I chose a gift. I lend her a pen. I lent her a pen. I found the money. I found the money. I spend a lot. I spent a lot. I let the cat go. I let the cat go. Excellent. Irregular verbs are the backbone of natural English. Keep practicing.
I sat on the chair. I didn't sit on the sofa. Jill broke her watch. She didn't break her necklace. Philip chose a Ferrari. He didn't choose a Cadillac. Peter repeated the word. He didn't repeat the sentence. Mr. Smith loved his secretary. He didn't love his wife. Alice sent Paul a postcard. She didn't send Paul a letter. Jack visited Betty last night. He didn't visit Mary last night. I advised Bob to buy a car. I didn't advise Bob to buy a scooter. John stood up when Mary came in. He didn't stand up when Sue came in. Great work on the negative forms. Remember, didn't does the work, so the verb stays in the present.
What did Bob do last night? He went to the bar. What did you do last night? I visited some friends. What did Mary do on the beach? She sunbathed. What did you do on the beach? I swam in the sea. What did Tom do at the station? He bought a ticket. What did you do at the station? I waited for the train. What did Jim do at the office? He worked. What did you do at the office? I typed some letters. What did Susan do after tea? She took a bath. What did you do after tea? I washed the dishes. What did Joe do last Friday? He went racing. What did you do last Friday? I stayed at home. What did John do at the club? He had dinner. What did you do at the club? I danced. What did Anne do during the lesson? She slept. What did you do during the lesson? I asked questions. What did John do last Saturday? He played tennis. What did you do last Saturday? I cleaned my room. What did Mary do at the party? She talked. What did you do at the party? I met some people.
Great job today! Consistency is the secret to fluency. Replay this video until these past tense forms feel automatic. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more Unleashed training. See you in the next one!